Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Wednesday, January 27th, 2021. Looking at precipitation over the past 7 and 14 days, these two maps up here show how the precipitation we've received compares to normal. Things have been pretty good for the southern part of the Great Basin. You can see many areas across the south reporting precipitation that's well above normal. And it's interesting to compare that to the past 14 days to see that it's really been in the past 7 days that things have started to improve across the south. However, looking further north into Idaho and northwestern Nevada, it's been quite dry with well below normal precipitation. Along with that precipitation, we've had quite a bit of snow over the past 72 hours. You can see some of the higher elevations in the central and southern Great Basin reporting 8 to 12 inches, and some isolated locations seeing 12 to 18 inches. So some good snow in those upper elevations, and that's reflected in the snow depth map on the right. You can see pretty uniform coverage across much of the area. Satellite today shows a pretty strong weather system making its way into the Great Basin. So for today, you can see on that map on the left, a pretty strong weather system making its way into the Great Basin. With that, we will see good to excellent mixing across most of the area. We will have some pretty strong transport winds. You can see those on the image on the left, and looking at the mixing heights on the right, also really good mixing heights. As we move into Thursday, that weather system continues to remain a little to the west of the area. We will see good to excellent mixing across much of Nevada. That is due to strong transport winds expected in that area. And then moving into Friday, as that weather system moves through, we'll see an improvement in the ventilation indices across areas a little further east in the Great Basin, and things trending downwards a bit across western Nevada. You can see the transport winds strengthen across portions of eastern Nevada into west central Utah up into Idaho on Friday, leading to those better clearing indices in those areas. The Utah Forecast Clearing Index shows a similar trend with pretty good improvement moving into Friday. Over the next 3 days, we are looking at pretty widespread precipitation. Much of the Great Basin is expected to see precipitation, with some really heavy precipitation expected across western Nevada. By Saturday, we have high pressure building into the Great Basin. That will lead to a decrease in mixing across the central and southern areas. Moving into Sunday, that high pressure shifts to the east ahead of another approaching storm system. Moving into Monday, looks like another system will move through the area, bringing good to excellent mixing across most of the Great Basin on Monday. And then finally, Tuesday, just another day of great mixing with a weather system expected to move through the area. In the 4 to 5 day period, we're not looking at too much precipitation across the Great Basin. And then looking further out in the 8 to 14 day period, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the entire Great Basin, as well as below normal precipitation across the majority of the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.